Hello friends, in the previous class we learned how to add appropriate helping verb while we are converting our active voice into passive voice, right? So, and we learned till past perfect, and today or in this class we are going to learn simple present, right? If the active voice is in simple future tense, then how the appropriate helping verb will be added, and how the past or participles or third form of verb be added, right? So simple future, right? Like shall take, will take, right? Now we are going to add appropriate, or it will be, this is helping verb, shall be taken or will be, if it is in simple future, right? If the active voice is having modal verbs like can, must, can, may, must, and etc. There are many modal verbs are there. So take, right? So it can be may be taken, right? May be taken, or can be taken, or must be taken. So this is how we have to add while we are changing our active voice into passive voice. And what we have to add? We have to add appropriate helping verbs, right? These are helping verbs. So we have to add helping verbs and participle or third form of verb in the passive voice, right? When the active voice is converted into passive voice, we need to add appropriate helping verbs and third form of verb or participles. We need to remember this table properly, right? Then only we can add appropriate helping verb while we are changing active voice into passive voice. There is another thing that we have to remember is that while we are changing, or while changing subject which is a pronoun to object, for example, while changing subject, which is pronoun to object, right? If a sentence is having pronoun as subject, then while we are changing into object, how that subject be changed? Like I love cat, right? Here the subject is I, and this is pronoun, first person pronoun. This is love, this is verb, right? And cat, object, right? So I love cat. So when it is converted into passive voice, now we have to learn how this subject pronoun will be changed, right? Like cat, is loved by me, right? Or if it is he loves cat, then cat is loved by him, right? Are you able to see how subject pronoun is converted to object, right? This is how, if it is he, it will be in object, it will be him. If it is I, in object, it will be me. If it is she, it will be her, right? For example, I will be converted to object as me, and he will be converted to object as him, right? She will be converted to object as her, right? And we pronoun subject will be converted to object as us, right? And they pronoun subject will be converted as them. So, this is one thing that we have to remember, right? When or if our active voice is having I as subject, then while we are changing the passive voice, in the passive voice, the subject will be in the place of object and object will be in the place of subject, right? Therefore, and when that change happens, this I will become object pronoun and he will become object pronoun. And what is the object pronoun of he? Him. What is the object pronoun of I? Me, right? This is how the change will take place. So, this is something that we have to remember. I, me, he, him, she, her, right? We, us, they, them. So, these changes will happen, right? If the active voice is having pronoun as subject. So, finally, we need to learn some of the steps to convert active voice into passive voice. So, we will learn that in the next class.